I don't think it's a good idea for us to hang out again.
I've never been one to judge a book by its cover.
Hello and welcome back to Readaton. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most common grammar mistakes in English. The difference between its and its, one with apostrophe and the other without apostrophe. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but you should know that using either of them can change the meaning of a sentence. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand it in a fun and interesting way with lots of examples. Let's dive in. So let's start with its with apostrophe. It is a contraction of it is or it has. In other words, when you shorten it is, you get its. The same way when you shorten it has, you get its. For example, it's raining outside, or it's been a long time since we last talked. Now, in both of these examples, it's is the contraction because it's short for it is and it has. And so without the contraction, the sentences would read, it is raining outside, or it has been a long time since we last talked. Another example would be, it's a good day to go for a run. Now, in this sentence, it means it is. And so in other words, it is a good day to go for a run. Now look at these other examples.
It's quite amazing what can happen in a week.
It's quite a thing winning the loyalty of a woman like that for 19 consecutive seasons.
Now let's talk about it's without apostrophe. It is a possessive pronoun. It shows that something belongs to or is associated with something else. It is in the same category with mine, yours, his, hers. Then we have its, etc. For example, the dog wagged its tail, or the tree is losing its leaves. In both of these examples, it is a possessive pronoun because it's showing ownership or association. In the first sentence, the tail belongs to the dog, and in the second, the leaves belong to the tree. Another example would be, the car lost its tire on the highway. In this sentence, it means belonging to the car. Now, to help you remember the difference between its and its, one with apostrophe, one without apostrophe, here's a tip. Now, think about what you're trying to say. If you're trying to say it is or it has, use its with apostrophe. On the other hand, if you're trying to show ownership or association, use its.
The medical team is on its way to your location.
Now let's look at some funny examples of incorrect usage of its and its that you may have seen before. My phone is acting weird. It keeps deleting its messages. Now this sentence is incorrect. Its in the sentence is a contraction, which when expanded would read, my phone is acting weird. It keeps deleting its messages. The correct sentence should be, my phone is acting weird. It keeps deleting its messages without apostrophe. This way, we are associating the messages with the phone. Another example, the cat drank all its milk. Again, this sentence is incorrect because the cat cannot drink its milk. The correct sentence should read, the cat drank all its milk. It's without apostrophe. Another one, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. It's with apostrophe. Now this sentence is correct because it is a contraction of it is. So the sentence can read, the sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. Finally, the book lost its cover. Now this sentence is correct because it is a possessive pronoun indicating ownership. So there you have it. The difference between its and its is all about understanding the basics. Always remember that its with apostrophe is a contraction of it is or it has, while its without apostrophe is a possessive pronoun indicating ownership or association. So always ask yourself if you need a contraction or a possessive pronoun. Remember also that grammar mistakes happen to everyone. but it's important to learn from them and improve your skills. By understanding the difference between its and its, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and clearly. Plus, using correct grammar shows that you pay attention to details and take pride in your work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar tips. I'll see you in the next video.